Hello everyone, once again it's time for Feature Friday. I'm Cody Swallow here at Primo RV in Carencro, Louisiana. Today we're going to show you this 2020 Reflection 287 RLTS. A couple of things before we go out and get into it. Grand Design gives you a 3-year structural warranty on everything they build. They also give you a 5-year warranty on your graphics on the outside against fading, peeling, or cracking. And they give you a 5-year warranty on your axles and tires. That's just a couple of things on it. Starting out front, you've got a nice electric tongue jack up here. Makes it easy to hook up your camper and get it set up and ready to roll. You got a nice fiberglass front cap, molded front one-piece cap. Big pass-through storage here. Lots of space to put all your chairs, barbecue pit, things like that. They also do a nice job. They do a heavy-duty exterior compartment door. It's a nice, thick, insulated door. And it's also got the slam baggage latches. Nice big electric awning across the front, runs almost the entire length of the coach. You got 2 entries here. You got one door that leads into the bedroom up front. You got another one that leads into your main living area. Indoor and outdoor speakers for your stereo, and then you got a nice big LED light strip that runs all the way across the seat here. Let's go inside and take a look at the inside. Right when you walk in, right to the back here, you got a nice big booth dinette. This will also drop down and give you a nice bed so you can sleep an adult couple back here. One thing that Grand Design does is always gives you a lot of storage. So you got overhead cabinet storage here. And if you look over here towards the TV area, you've got cabinet storage below. Drawer storage below. Television up here. And you've got a nice kitchen with tons of cabinet storage here as well. Residential size microwave. This is not one of the small microwaves. This is also a convection, so you can bake in it as well. And of course, you got your 3-burner cooktop stove and an oven down here also. Nice solid surface countertops. You don't have any Formica here. And you've got the big stainless steel farmhouse sink as well. In the slide here, you got a single slide on this camper, but you've got the theater seats in here. These are all going to recline. This gives you a center console, but it's also a reclining seat. And you're also going to have massage and heat built into all of these. Nice big 12 cubic foot refrigerator, so you've got a larger gas electric refrigerator here. And you got more pantry storage on the side of the refrigerator there. This is a 50 amp coach, so you got 2 AC units. You got 1 AC in the main living area, you got another one in the bedroom back here. We'll stop and take a look at the bathroom here. Nice stand-up shower with a glass door. Plenty of room in here to shower and get cleaned up. Not claustrophobic, you don't feel like you're gonna bump into everything. Overhead storage up above of your over your toilet here. And you've got a nice ceramic commode down here as well. And then over your sink, you've got a medicine cabinet up here. Storage drawers down the side, and then more storage below down here. We'll walk up front and take a look at the bedroom. This is a queen size bed in here. You've got hanging storage on either side of the bed. And then more storage up above here. You've also got convenience features like electrical outlets up above the bed, and there's a couple USB ports up at the top here. Back here, one thing that's different that Grand Design does, you've got another hanging storage closet here. This is also prepped and wired. If you wanted to add a washer and dryer, you could add that here. And then you've got a couple of drawers down here for more storage as well. And of course, you got storage up underneath the bed down here. That's the extra cushions that go to the table back there to make the bed. Once again, this has been Feature Friday. This is the 2020 Reflection 287 RLTS. I'm Cody Swallow here at Primo RV in Carencro. We are open. Come out and see us.